If this is entire Japan and this here is Hokkaido, you can see the Shiretoko National Park is actually here. This strip, in other words, peninsula, and it is a famous place to see bears in the river trying to catch salmon. World Natural Heritage. This is the catch of the day. A group of cute deers with white butts. So here we are again with our group in a totally different forest, of course. They really don't give a shit that I'm like just 4 meters behind them. Wow, isn't this cool? Totally wild deers in the forest. Probably most of the people hate them for eating their gardens away, but we are now actually deep in the forest. There are many waterfalls. See, like this one is with hot spring, and then here, however, we are going to the OSHIN-KOSHIN waterfall. An area where there are a lot of bears, so there is this mark to take care, and they are going here to the river to fish. And we went along these rivers here for 2 days and couldn't find any bear. However, the landscape was still pretty, so let me show you the pictures. Next, we are going to visit Shiretoko Goko Lake. Actually, 5 lakes. Go means 5, Ko means lake. And from here, you would see this mountain, and it would make a wonderful landscape. This is how it's supposed to look if the weather is nice. However, today it's rainy, and we have a lot of fog. But still, it's a very mysterious, gorgeous landscape. So let's just check on those photos that I shot here. And then the ocean drive here around Utoro is really beautiful here. If you can see all those rocks that make such a dynamic landscape. However, it was raining, so it's a little bit gray. This is Hokkaido. We are almost at the most northern part. Kind of very close to Russia. And since Shiretoko is close to Russia, like see, these islands are actually Russia. There are buildings that are Russian style. Russian relic in Hokkaido.